All right. So we are going to go into something that I think is very, very, very important, and that is really functions, right? And functions are sort of building blocks that you use. What you will notice is that Python is really all about objects, right? How you manipulate objects, and you manipulate an object is like an integer or a list or a dictionary is an object, and these statements, the Python statements, are really trying to manipulate these objects in a certain way, right? They are going to you take a take an integer and you multiply it, right? And then you have sort of programs. So, basically these functions are just group of Python statements that sort of are working as a group of statements, right? So I think why we write Python programs, I guess somebody will say if we want to make money, but the main thing that we really want to write programs is that we want to automate the boring stuff. We want to make things go faster, and things that are difficult for human beings to do,